Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum, and welcome back to episode number 12 in our Qasas Nabiyeen guided reading series. Inshallah, in this episode we will cover story number 12, which is Ila Makkah, towards Makkah. So let's proceed. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Bismillah. Let's start. وغضب قوم إبراهيم وغضب الملك وغضب والد إبراهيم. وغضب قوم إبراهيم, and the qawm of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam became angry. وغضب الملك, and the king became angry. وغضب والد إبراهيم, and the father of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam became angry. وأراد إبراهيم أن يسافر إلى بلد آخر ويعبد فيه الله ويدعو الناس إلى الله. وأراد إبراهيم, and Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam wanted to travel to another land and to worship Allah in it and to call the people towards Allah. وأراد إبراهيم أن, so because of this an, يسافر is mansub, وكذلك يعبد is mansub, and also يدعو is mansub. The reason why these three verbs are mansub is because they are linked to an, and as for ya'bud and yad'u, they are also linked because of this waw. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam left his land وَوَدَّعَ وَالِدَهُ, and bid farewell to his father. Wadda'a is a new word which we've not covered so far in this series. Don't forget to check out the other videos as well if you've not seen those. They should be on the top of the screen somewhere. Wadda'a, yuwaddi'u, tawdi' means to bid farewell, to say goodbye to somebody. Wadda'a, yuwaddi'u, tawdi'. وقصد إبراهيم مكة ومعه زوجه هاجر. وقصد إبراهيم, قصد يقصد means التوجه إلى مكان. It means التوجه إلى مكان. This means to head for a place, يعني to go towards a certain location. So it will be followed by the name of the location that you are going to. And as we can see, here it is. وَقَصَدَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ مَكَّةَ, and Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam headed for Makkah. وَمَعَهُ زَوْجُهُ هَاجَرَ, and with him, وَمَعَهُ زَوْجُهُ was his wife, Hajar. وَكَانَتْ مَكَّةُ لَيْسَ فِيهَا عُشْبٌ وَلَا شَجَرٌ. وَكَانَتْ مَكَّةُ, Makkah was such a place, لَيْسَ فِيهَا عُشْبٌ وَلَا شَجَرٌ, in which there was no grass nor tree. Kanat means was. Makkah is the Makkatul Mukarramah, the place where Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam headed to. Laysa means no, and fiha means in it. Ushb is grass, and shajar is tree. So Makkah was such a place in which there was no grass or trees, because it was a barren land. It was very dry, desert, hot. There was no greenery or vegetation there. وَكَانَتْ مَكَّةُ لَيْسَ فِيهَا بِئْرٌ وَلَا نَهْرٌ. And وَكَانَتْ Makkah, and in Makkah there was no bi'r وَلَا نَهْرٌ. Bi'r means well. وَكَانَتْ مَكَّةُ لَيْسَ فِيهَا حَيَوَانٌ وَلَا بَشَرٌ. And Makkah was such a place that there was no hayawan or bashar in it. There was no animals or people. So ushb means grass. Shajar means tree. Bi'r, bi'run means well. Nahrun means river. Haywan means animal, and bashar means person. So Makkah was such a place that there was no grass in it, there was no trees in it, there was no wells in it, there was no rivers in it, there was no animal in it, and there was no person in it. وَوَصَلَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ إِلَى مَكَّةَ وَنَزَلَ فِيهَا. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam reached Makkah and descended there. وَصَلَ يَصِلُ means to arrive. وَصَلَ يَصِلُ. Al-wusul means to arrive at a destination, to reach a place, and it is followed by ila. So وَوَصَلَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ إِلَى مَكَّةَ, and Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam arrived in Mecca. وَنَزَلَ فِيهَا. Nazala means to come down or to descend. Yani he stopped there, he disembarked there, he stayed there. This is why manzil is another term for a house. It is a ism dharf for the verb nazala. It is a place where you descend, it's a place where you stay. And the actual verb is nazala yanzilu an-nuzul. Now, as a side note, if you're wondering why Makkah here is mansoob, that is because it is غير منصرف. It is ممنوع من الصرف, and إلى is حرف جر. وترك إبراهيم زوجه هاجر وولده إسماعيل ولما أراد إبراهيم أن يذهب قالت زوجه هاجر إلى أين يا سيدي وترك إبراهيم زوجه هاجر وولده إسماعيل. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam left his wife Hajar and his son Ismail. ولما أراد أن يذهب, and when he intended to leave. ولما, and when. أراد, he intended, يعني Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam intended, أن يذهب, to leave. قالت زوجه, his wife Hajar said, where are you going? أتتركني هنا, are you leaving me here? أتتركني هنا. أتتركني is actually three words. We have a for harf which is harf istifham, it's for questioning. Then we have the verb taraka yatruku, so tatruk, you leaving. And then we have the ni. The ni is dhamir for me, but whenever we want to attach the ya dhamir, the personal pronoun, to a verb, it always needs to be preceded by a noon. As I've mentioned, this is not an Arabic grammar lesson. This is just a guided reading series where we are going through and touching on some aspects of grammar. But if you know this concept, then fantastic, and if you don't and you want some help on it, feel free to message in the comment section, and inshallah I will get back to you. And huna means here. أتتركني وليس هنا ماء ولا طعام, are you leaving me and there's no water or food here? هل أمرك الله بهذا, has Allah Azza wa Jal commanded you to do this? Hal is harf istifham, just like a, they are both used for questioning. Amaraka, has Allah commanded you? Be, with, and this, hada means this, has Allah commanded you with this, meaning has Allah Azza wa Jal commanded you to do this? Qala Ibrahim, na'am, and Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam said, yes. Qalat Hajar, idhan la yudhi'ana. Idhan means then or therefore, in that case, and such. La yudhi'una. Adha'a, yudhi'u, idha'atan. Adha'a yudhi'u idha'atan means to squander or to destroy or to waste. So Hajar is saying, because Allah Azza wa Jal has ordered you to do this, then He will not let us go to waste. He will not destroy us. Now let's have a quick look at some kalimat jadida, some new words that we've learned from this story. Wasala yasilu ila. So firstly, number one, we have wasala yasilu al-wusul ila. We mentioned that wasala yasilu al-wusul, when followed by ila, means to arrive or to reach a place. Number two, wadda'a yuwaddi'u at-tawdi' means to bid farewell or to say goodbye to somebody. Number three, qasada yaqsidu al-qasd means to head towards a certain place. It means at-tawajjuh ila makan. Number four, ada'a yudi'u ida'at. This means to destroy or to squander or to waste. Number five, safara yusafiru al-musafara means to travel. And number six, nazala yanzilu an-nuzul. It means to descend or to land or to get off. For example, if you're traveling and you want to get off at the next bus stop, you would do an-nuzul ila al-mahatta al-qadimah. But that's it from this video. Inshallah, you've taken some benefits from it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and take care, and I will see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'a salama. Take care.